This is the homework help video for Tuesday, April 3rd for all classes. I'm going to do questions 3 through 5. It says to use the following information to answer questions 3 through 5. 10 students were surveyed to find out how many miles they traveled to school each day. The results are listed in the table. So let's look at this table and make sure we understand what this data is telling us. The bottom row is the number of responses. So this is 4 students, 2 students, and the top row is the number of miles they responded in the survey, how many miles they traveled to school. So 4 of the students travel 1 mile, 2 of the students travel 2 miles. So when we're making our list of data from least to greatest, we're starting with 1, that's the smallest number. But 4 of the students said 1, so I need 4 ones. And then 2 students said that they traveled 2 miles to school. 1 student said he travels 3 miles, 2 students travel 4 miles, and 1 student travels 5 miles. Now it said that 10 students were surveyed, so let's count our list and make sure all of our data is represented in our list. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of data, so we know our list is good. And for number 3, we're finding the mode. The mode is the number that occurs the most often, and even though 2 and 4 both occur twice, 1 occurs 4 times, so 1 is the mode. Number 4 asks us to find the mean number of miles, so we need to add these up. 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, 4 times. That's 9, 13, 16, 18, 20, 24. And then we're going to divide by the number of pieces of data we started with, which is 10. I don't really need to do that, do I? If we're dividing by a power of 10, we can just move the decimal 1 place to the left. Just like finding 10%, dividing by 10 is like finding 10%. So 2.4 miles would be the mean number of miles traveled to school by these 10 students. Number 5 says, if 4 additional students were surveyed and the mode became 2 miles, what does that tell you about the responses of the 4 students? Let's make our list again. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. And we know that currently our mode is 1 because we have 4 ones. If these 4 additional students are surveyed and the mode changes to 2, how many 2s would we need to have? It doesn't say that the mode is 1 and 2. It says the new mode is 2. That means we can't have 2 more 2s. We can't have 4 2s. We have to have at least 5 2s for the mode to change to 2. So at least 3 of the 4 students travel 2 miles to school. It could be exactly 3 of them, or it could be all 4 of them, but at least 3 of them travel 2 miles to school if that mode is changing to 2. And in fact, if exactly 3 of them travel 2 miles to school, that 4th student can't travel 1 mile. He has to either travel 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, I hope that helps with the homework. I'll see you in the morning.